Hello guys, welcome, and in this tutorial we will learn about how to create such 3D wall panel in SketchUp without using any plugin. Okay, you don't need any plugin. So guys, first you have to draw a rectangle. So here I'm drawing a rectangle. Okay, so here just select the line and then copy it with control command and type /20 for 20 number of copy or /5 to 5 number of copy. Same thing I'm doing for a horizontal line, typing /15 for 15 number of copy between copied line. Okay, here we will use move tool and click over here and move it in a red axis. Okay, so here we will delete a extra part like this one. Okay, we don't need this one, and we'll draw again a single line over here to fill it. Then again we will use move tool and move it parallel, and here you need to make it in a group. So now after that you have to use a rotate tool to just copy another page. Okay, now we have to make it in a group. Now we will use a mirror tool of JHS power R, and then we will mirror in upward direction and again select both and mirror it in right side. Okay, just like that. Now your single panel are ready. Now we have to just select the entire panel and copy multiples to make it like a 3D. So you can use at many number you want on your interior space. So just copy it with control and type X6 for 6 number of copy. That's it. So it's a very easy trick to create such panel in a SketchUp. So you can try in your SketchUp, and if you really like, please follow and share to others. And thank you guys. See you next tutorial, and you can also download this model through the link in the description. Have fun guys. Thank you.